Okay, good morning. Now, discuss about the properties of charge. Properties of charge. The three properties of charge. Properties of charge. Properties of charge, three types. They are: first one, quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Second one, additivity of charge. Additivity of charge. Is finally conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Okay, this is the very three important. That is a quantization of charge, additivity of charge, conservation of charge. These three is the properties of charge. Here first now going to explain the quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. Okay, quantization of charge means the total charge of a quantization of charge, the total charge of a body is always integral multiple of basic unit of charge. Basic unit of charge E. Okay, the total charge of the body is always integral multiple of a basic unit of charge. Here that is equal to Q is equal to plus or minus NE. Plus or minus NE. Here Q is equal to first quantization of charge. The total charge of the body is always integral multiple of basic unit of charge. Q is equal to total charge of the system. Total charge of the system. Okay. Next, n is equal to integer, that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. E is equal to charge of the charge, that is equal to charge, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 cool. Okay, this is okay. That is a quantization of charge. For example, here quantization of charge. For example problem. Example: how many electrons are presented in 1 coulomb charge. Okay. Here for example, one body is there. Okay. This body total charge is how much is there? 1 coulomb. Okay. In this condition, this 1 coulomb, how many electrons are there? Q is equal to 1 coulomb. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. And again, that find out the number of electrons are present. Now here Q is equal to NE. That is equal to 1 is equal to N into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, here find out the N. Now N is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Here N is equal to totally, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of plus 19 by 1.6. Okay, calculate this one. N is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. 18 electrons. Okay, this is the quantization of charge. Okay, Q is equal to plus or minus any. Q is equal to Q means that is a total charge of the system or body. N is equal to integer like that 0, 1, 2, 3. E is equal to charge that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay, next additivity of charge. Next additivity of charge. Next, now going to explain the additivity of charge. Additivity of charge. Additivity of charge. Very, very important. Here also saying the total charge of the body Q is the total charge of the body is algebraic sum of individual charges. Okay, the total charge of the body Q is algebraic sum of individual charges. This means that is equal to Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus so on. Okay, here is the total charge of the system is equal to the algebraic sum of the individual charges. For example, here is a one system is there that is equal to Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This total system charge is how much? That is the Q. Here Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 is equal to so. Okay, like that. For example, another body is there. Okay, here is the plus 1 coulomb, minus 2 coulomb, plus 3 coulomb, minus 1 coulomb, plus 4 coulomb is there. Okay, at that time that is equal to total charge how much? We don't know. At that time find out the Q is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, how much is that? That is a Q is equal to 138 minus 3 that is equal to Q is equal to 5 coulomb charges. 5 coulomb charge. Okay. And another example. For example, 2. For example, one body is there that is equal to total charge is there, don't know. At that time that is equal to 1 coulomb minus 2 coulomb plus 4. Okay, minus 1 coulomb. Okay, we find out the total charge and the number of electrons. Two cases. Okay, for example, Q is equal to how much is there? Have a 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, that is a Q is equal to minus 5 minus plus 5 minus 3. That is equal to how many? Plus 2 coulombs. The total charge is find out. That is Q is equal to 2 coulombs. 2 coulomb charge. How many electrons are present? Already Q is equal to Ne. You know that. That is a 2 is equal to N is equal to how much? That is find out. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Here N is equal to 2 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Here N is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 19 by 1.6. And N is equal to 12.50 into 10 to the power of 18 coulombs. So this is a large processor. We know that, for example, 1 coulomb charge. How many electrons are present? 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay. At the time, 2 coulomb charge, that is a 12.50 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. 18 electrons. Same, 3 coulombs is, that is equal to 18.75 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay, here is a simple process. Yeah, how many is the conservation of charge is completed, quantization of charge is completed, additivity of charge is completed. Is a finally that is a conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Okay, conservation of charge. The total charge, very very important one. The total charge of isolated system, the total charge of the isolated system remains constant. Remains constant. As well as the, you know that for the conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. First is here same apply. Charges neither be created nor be destroyed, but they transfer from one body to other. The total charge of the isolated system remains constant, as well as the charge is neither be created nor be destroyed, but they transfer from one body to other body. The total charge of the system remains constant. The total charge of the system remains constant. Okay, this is the properties of charges. That is a quantization of charge, next additivity of charge, finally conservation of charge.